What if I told you that your next meal could act like a natural blood pressure medication? No prescriptions, no nasty side effects, just incredibly delicious food. For decades, we've been told to just eat less salt, but the real secret to conquering hypertension is loading up on powerful, heart-loving nutrients. And it doesn't have to be boring. Stick around because today we're counting down 5 delicious, science packed recipes that can help you lower your numbers and absolutely love every single bite. Let's start with number 5. Dessert so good you won't believe it's healthy. Yes, you can have dessert. This mousse is a powerhouse for relaxing your arteries. The secret? Avocado and dark cocoa are both loaded with magnesium and potassium, two critical minerals that help with blood vessel tension. It's creamy, rich, and decadent. Blend on avocado with 2 teaspoons of 85% dark cocoa powder and a teaspoon of raw honey until it's perfectly smooth. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you after this. Coming in at number 4 is a warm, spicy soup that's a double threat. This is turmeric lentil soup doesn't just lower blood pressure. Studies show it also helps regulate blood sugar. Lentils are full of fiber and protein, which stabilize your energy. But the real star is turmeric. Its anti-inflammatory properties are legendary. Simmer a cup of lentil with a teaspoon of turmeric and 2 garlic cloves and low sodium water until tender. Eating this just 3 times a week could lead to a significant drop in your blood pressure. It's a bowl of liquid gold for your health. Unlocking our top 3 with a meal that cardiologists dream about. This Senegalese salmon is your ultimate heart miracle. Fatty fish like salmon are the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and triglycerides. Paired with potassium-rich broccoli and carrots, this meal is a one-two punch for artery health. Just bake a salmon fillet with a glaze of low-sodium soy sauce and sesame oil, and also steam your veggies on the side. It's a restaurant quality but with a purpose. Get ready for number 2, which is basically a drug-free prescription you can drink. This hibiscus pomegranate smoothie is not just refreshing, it's medicinal. Hibiscus tea is a proven vasodilator, meaning it opens up your blood vessels. Pomegranate is packed with antioxidants that protect your heart. Blend 1 cup of chilled hibiscus tea with half a cup of pomegranate seeds, a frozen banana for creaminess, and a teaspoon of flax seeds for extra fiber. It's the most delicious natural medicine you'll ever try. And the number 1 recipe, the one you can eat for an almost instant effect, is this stunning arugula and beet salad. Here's why it's number 1. Arugula and beets are both loaded with dietary nitrates. Your body converts this into nitric oxide, a molecule that literally signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, instantly improving blood flow. Toast 2 cups of arugula with 1 grated cooked beets, a quarter cup of walnut for omega-3s, and a simple lemon garlic dressing. A daily consumption of nitrate-rich veggies like this can reduce blood pressure by up to 5 pounds. It's not just food, it's immediate action on a plate. So, which of these 5 recipes are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. But I have a crucial question for you. Did you notice the one ingredient that appeared in almost every single recipe? It's a humble, powerful pop that's a true heart hero. Let me know if you spotted it. If you learned something new and want more content like this, do me a huge favor. Hit the bell and subscribe for more recipes that turn your kitchen into your pharmacy. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.